need to spend hours in front of charts just to be successful at trading, well, you're wrong. Today, I'm going to show you how to make profits in just 30 minutes a day. I'm in the top 5 traders in the world on Pocket Option, and I'm here to teach you how to trade efficiently. Many believe that they have to analyze hundreds of indicators, follow the news step by step, when in reality, when you know what to look for and when to look for it, you can skyrocket your result without wasting your time. And I'm not just going to explain it in theory, I'm going to show you a highly effective routine that lets you maximize your gains with minimal effort. Because let's be honest, if you're still wasting your time jumping between 50 different strategies, not knowing which one actually works, you're on the wrong path. In this video, I'll give you a clear, tested, and proven method that you can start applying today. And if you follow it correctly, just 30 minutes a day could be enough to see real results. So if you're ready to stop wasting time and optimize your results, stay tuned. The biggest difference between a profitable trader and a losing trader, well, that's easy. It's discipline. If you're just opening your charts randomly, hoping to find a good trade, you've already lost. A successful trader knows exactly when they will trade, what they will analyze, and how they will execute their trades. At the start of each day, you need to know when you will trade in order to maintain consistency. Here's how you can structure your trading routine in just 30 minutes. For example, here you can see different events that I might either avoid or take advantage of them. So every day I want you to go on your economic calendar and write down the moments of the day where you shouldn't trade. Once you know when not to trade, the next step is choosing the best moment to enter the market. This prevents emotional and impulsive trading. And once you're set, it's time to analyze the markets. Here's a simple yet powerful strategy. I want you to use an RSI and 2 moving averages. One set to 25 EMA and the second set to 50. Do not touch the RSI. If the price touches both, you trade against the movement. If you want a detailed breakdown, check out my full video on this strategy. Never trade without fully understanding what you're doing. By the way, look at this. This is a trading session that we just ended on the VIP group. And I even finished as the top 3 traders in the world with 100% win rate and plus $10,000 in 24 hours. If you apply this structure, you'll see a massive difference. You will trade less, but you will trade better. You will never let your emotions influence your trades because you planned your hours of trading ahead of time. You won't let an economical event catch you off guard, and you have a clear strategy to use. Before we get to part 2, listen closely. If you want to avoid months or even years of struggling with different strategies, I've got something for you. In my VIP group, I share my exact trades, my market analysis, and most importantly, I explain exactly why I take each position. You'll also be part of an amazing community that already gets results. No more guessing and no more wasting time. Click the link in the description, join us now, and start trading with a real plan. Now that you know when to trade and how to trade, let's talk about the number 1 mistake that kills 90% of all traders: bad risk management. If you risk 50% of your account on a trade, after 2 blows, you're broke. If you risk 10%, you will still be wiped out after 10 blows. So let's be smart about this. For proper risk management, you have 2 main methods. I discussed these methods in previous videos, but today we will talk about a more simple approach to money management. You always risk the same percentage on each trade. This is the safest and easiest method to apply. Stick to a max of 2%. You adjust your risk based on your account balance or the quality of your setup. This method is more advanced, but in the long run, it's far more effective. By applying these principles, your account grows steadily without ever blowing up in one bad streak. And now that we've covered strategy, timing, and risk management, there's one last key to success: staying disciplined. By the way, what's your favorite strategy for money management? Let me know in the comments down below. If you want to apply this system right away, I have a great deal for you. Pocket Option offers a 50% deposit bonus if you sign up through my link below. This means you have more capital to work with and better risk management. But use this wisely. Don't gamble it away. Okay, you have the strategy, you have the risk management, but if you're not disciplined, none of this will work. And this is exactly where 90% of traders fail. How many times have you thought to yourself, one last trade to recover from my loss, resulting in you just blowing up your account? If you want to grow your success in only 30 minutes a day, you must stay consistent. No overtrading, no revenge trading. You analyze, trade, and when you're done, you walk away. The best way to stay disciplined is by surrounding yourself with serious traders. When you're alone, it's really easy to slip up. But if you want to maximize your chances, join my VIP group where I share my trades, full training, and risk management techniques. I will be your personal coach. I will help you learn from your mistakes and ultimately help you level up your trading journey. All the information you'll need is in the description down below. Now that you have a clear plan to level up your trading game in only 30 minutes a day, strategy, money management, discipline, it's all in your hands. But here's the thing, 90% of traders know what to do, but still fail because they never take action. If you want to be part of the 10% of traders who actually succeed, apply the tips I've shared with you today. And if you want to level up even faster, join my VIP group. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down below if you want to see more videos like this.